Okay, ladies and gents, Handyman again. Just want to give you one last video on this Hustler Sport I've been working on, 2009 48-inch cut. Got everything finished up. Took about 15-20 minutes. Replaced that. Got all new bolts and stuff in there, both sides. And got my grease gun out. Greased the chassis while I was at it. You got 4 little Alamites under there, 2 at the front, and let's see, 2 up under there, 1 on each side. Get those greased up, and this mower right here is pretty much a wrap. Went ahead while I was there for $3. New key, spare. That's the old one there. Kind of bent. It was workable, but you know, like I said, I'm just picky about stuff like that. Only thing I got left, those are the screws right there that they had thrown up on the front. You can see these are way too small. They don't have the proper little washer bushes. I should have showed y'all that, but you know, if you ever have a problem when you take them out, you should see those. Just make sure you replace what needs to be replaced on your equipment when it needs to be replaced, and try not to rig it up. It'll last a whole lot longer. And only thing I got left, like I said, is to put that shut-off cylinder or backfire cylinder or whatever they want to call it on that carburetor. Hadn't got the itch yet, and that's pretty much it. Run like a champ. Like I said, eventually might put in some new tires. They need them anyway, and put something with some tread on there with a little bit better grip. Put those little lock keepers in there just to make everything, so I don't have to keep replacing these when I change the air filter and stuff out like that. And I just noticed I got a screw right there missing to hold that cover on, so see if I can find that and get it replaced. Other than that, she's good to go, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, great little more for what I spent on it. Like I said, she's ready to go. Shouldn't have any issues at this point. Repair it as it needs replacing. Y'all be good.